Can you actually trust the conversion data Google and Facebook are claiming for your ads? Spoiler alert, you shouldn't. Google only sees Google data, and Facebook only sees Facebook data. They both have short attribution windows and limited visibility into who actually bought. That means making decisions based on their data is a shot in the dark. SegMetrics solves this problem. SegMetrics tracks all of your leads and customers across devices, different marketing tools, and through their full lifetime journey, giving you verifiable ad results. When SegMetrics says you have a specific number of customers from your ads, you can click through to see the names and emails for all of those customers. SegMetrics also shows you your results by ad channel. And with our easy toggle attribution, you can filter those results by first touch or last touch, based on what you want to see. Don't rely on ad platform data. With SegMetrics, you can see what is and isn't working in your advertising. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. It means a lot, and I'll see you next time.